देखिए अगर आप काम निकालने वाले आदमी हैं तो आपको सब बता देगा हर कोई, बट डिपेंड करता है आपके एटीट्यूड पे। आप जाके उनसे ऐसे बात करेंगे कि जैसे आप शहंशाह हैं कहीं के, तो वो भी आपको भगा देंगे। अगर आप उनसे प्यार से बात करेंगे तो every person would be willing to help you, right? So just keep that in mind and you will be able to figure out where my class is. But हाँ, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि अब 1 बजे क्लास है, स्टूडेंट 12:45 पे आएगा, एकदम 12:50 पे कि सर से मिलना है। 10 मिनट पहले मेरे पास माइंड स्पेस नहीं होता है कि आई कैन मीट एनीवन। सो इफ यू वांट टू मीट देन आइडियली वुड बी, जैसे अगर 9 से 12 क्लास है, यू कम एट 12 o'clock. Maybe my class may get delayed, like for example today it's already 4:28, it may get delayed, but then you wait for a bit and you possibly would be able to meet me. Or you write in a mail to me asking that I'm wanting to meet you, can you please allocate a time when I can meet you or something. Maybe again there also my response rate is very slow, I'm very sorry, but that works really seldom, है ना, को कम काम करता है. So just keep that in mind. But देखिए अगेन एक और चीज जो मैंने देखी है, मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स कम टू अस नॉट फॉर एनीथिंग बट फॉर सीकिंग सेल्फ वैलिडेशन. उन हर किसी आदमी को इस दुनिया में वैलिडेशन चाहिए कि जो मैं कर रहा हूं वो सही है कि नहीं है. पर एक बात जरूर आप ध्यान रखिए, आप जब आईएएस ऑफिसर बन जाएंगे, व्हेन यू विल बी आईपीएस ऑफिसर्स, आप मुझसे आके वैलिडेशन सीख नहीं करेंगे कि जो मैंने किया वो ठीक किया या गलत किया. तो आप खुद से भी अपने पे कॉन्फिडेंस रखिए, अपनी एबिलिटी पे कॉन्फिडेंस रखिए. हो सकता है आप गलती करें, what words can be that, what words can be than that, you will make a mistake, then you will learn from it, right? So just keep that in mind. And last and the most important thing, which I always tell everyone, which I told to you at the beginning of the classes as well. See, failure or success in this examination does not really make you a good human being, does not really make you a good citizen, does not really make you successful or failure in life. I can show you many civil servants, those who are a blot on the society, and I literally can show them to you, and I can point it out that do you want to be like them? You would literally prefer not to have qualified the examination and be doing anything else than be a civil servant and be as corrupt, as being as uncouth, being being literally as, I don't know what to say, I really am at loss of words. But you will find that there are people, those who are in the civil services, those who are literally a burden on the society, unfortunately. So most importantly, be firstly a good citizen, be a good human being. Now, that is the most important thing. You may or may not qualify the examination, that doesn't really matter. Also, let me tell you, for example, a lot of times when people qualify the examination, they come back, students come and they tell us, we feel happy about it, that they approached and they wanted to share their happiness with us and all of those things. But I'll also be very honest, it doesn't really bother me as well whether you have qualified the examination or not. Because how does it matter? If you really go and do some great work, if you really make a change to lives of people, that is when I would genuinely feel that you have done something. If you have qualified the examination, so what? There are thousands of people, those who qualify this examination every year, and they have only brought shame to this country, right? So be a person, irrespective of whether you are in private sector, whether you're in academics, whether you are doing your business, whether you are doing any kind of job, whatever you are doing, you be a good citizen. Question the government. Bring awareness among people about law, about constitution, about what you think is correct. Always question yourself as well. Do not ever rely on this understanding that you have achieved all the knowledge which is available in the world, because the glass would always be half full. So there is always a scope for learning more. There is always a scope for perfecting your knowledge. Be always curious. Even when you get into the service, be curious to learn, be curious to improve, be curious to observe the others, not just in India but outside. Be aware of what others are doing, and only then you would be able to actually make a real solid difference to the society. Otherwise, there are a lot of people in the services, you would be one among them, and if you don't really make a difference, it would be fine. But I can tell you that there are many people in the services, those who have done tremendous work. They have brought really a lot of change in the society, and they bring a lot of pride to their family, to themselves, and to whoever has been associated with them. Be one of them. Be a good human being first. Ask yourself that what I am doing, whether that is morally correct or not. Right? So, सबसे पहले अपने अंदर झांकिएगा किसी और को गलतियां बताते हुए or anything. So just keep that in mind. And ultimately, success or failure in this examination is not a parameter of success or failure in life for you. I can tell you that. I have seen numerous candidates those who have failed in this examination miserably, and they have done extremely well in life, and some of them have gone on to do better work than even those who are in the civil services. I can assure that to you, right? So this is something which you should keep in your mind, that you can make a difference to the society, to people around you, by doing small deeds as well. It doesn't necessarily need to be IS as a position. And as I said in the first class as well, ask yourself why you want to prepare for this examination first. Only when you would have clarity on that would you be having that motivation which will come from within. And अगर मोटिवेशन नहीं आ रही है तो जबरदस्ती मत कीजिएगा, अपने साथ छोड़ दीजिएगा, कुछ और कीजिए. You can always take a break for 1 or 2 years. If at later point of time that inner calling comes, you can again appear in the examination. But don't do this. कोई रेस नहीं है. बहुत सारे लोग ये सोचते हैं कि 30 की उम्र तक ही बनना है, 25 की उम्र तक ही बनना है. कोई जरूरी नहीं है. लोग 5 साल में भी ऐसा काम कर जाते हैं जो कि लोग 30 साल में नहीं कर पाते हैं. So just keep that in mind. And most importantly, stay humble and always be curious to learn as much as possible. Right? It's been great fun teaching both of your batches. There are some exceptional students in your batch and in both the batches, and I believe that some of you will do extremely well in this examination. Even if you don't, it's fine. This is not the end of life. You are many more avenues waiting for you. Try to look out for those avenues. There are many more opportunities where you can make a difference. So wishing all of you all the very best. Do well. Stay in touch.